Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this third part of our first day in Zurich, we stroll along the scenic lake shore to finally arrive at the world famous Lindt Home of Chocolate, featuring interactive exhibits and delicious free tasting. In my previous Switzerland video, I shared my TGV train journey from Paris to Zurich, my stay at Mercure Zurich City Hotel, and a scenic Zurich city tour with a relaxing boat cruise. For more exciting videos on Switzerland, France and the Netherlands, check out my playlist or the links in the description. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. In Europe, we have to walk too much.
Well, that's healthy.
Yeah,
We
even
like
my
walking.
1 inch I have lost my weight.
That's good. That's good.
We are now strolling along the lakeshore heading to the iconic Lindt Home of Chocolate, home to interactive exhibits and irresistible free tastings.
Now we're going to the museum together, and there you'll get the tickets, and I'll show you again where we meet if you want to come back with me. If you want to go back by the bus, by yourselves, right here. A few seconds away on the right. Here the bus stop is. And the bus always leaves at 8, at 18, at 38 and at 48, so 4 times an hour. And you get off at the very last stop. You must never wonder, do I get off? You get off at the last stop. Your ticket is valid. You have a 24-hour ticket. With the ticket that you got, you can use all public transport until shortly after 12 o'clock tomorrow. You validated it about 12 o'clock. And you get off at the very last stop. You can take any bus going this way.
This is a fully guided tour by an English-speaking guide. The best thing to do at Lindt Home of Chocolate: first, marvel at the world's largest chocolate fountain. Next, step into an interactive chocolate tour. Third, enjoy unlimited Lindt chocolate tasting. And the last one, shop at the world's largest Lindt store. Now stepping through the grand gate of iconic Lindt Home of Chocolate, where sweet dreams come to the life. Let's take you inside the chocolate lover's paradise. The tour is booked through the Best of Switzerland Tours, and the website links are provided in the description box.
You get the audio phones, and you just press onto the language that you want. Restrooms are to the left, and if someone has a big backpack, also on the left. They will not give out the tickets. So great sunshade. Two people, sorry. For one. If you want to come back with me, you meet me here at 2:30. 2:35 down here. Or you come back by.
Yeah, it's me.
And the Vikas,
Now our tour guide had provided tickets for all of us as we enter, greeted by a breathtaking sight. The world's largest chocolate fountain, standing 9 meters tall. Over 1500 liters of real melted chocolate from here non-stop. It's a delicious masterpiece and perfect photo spot. I am tapping the audio guide to select my preferred language and start the tour. It's time to begin our interactive chocolate journey. Let's tap into an interactive chocolate tour, explore the fascinating history of chocolate from the ancient origin to its evolution into a Swiss delicacy. We have now arrived at the entrance of the chocolate tour, and I am about to scan my voucher to begin this sweet adventure. The museum is not just for your taste buds, it's for your imagination. Here you will discover how chocolate was born. From ancient Mayan tradition to Swiss innovations, peek into Lindt's real production line through the massive glass walls. If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The multimedia exhibits provide the insight into the chocolate making process, including a view of production line through the panoramic windows. In the next section, your children can immerse themselves in a variety of exciting media games.
I'm wearing drinking chocolate like that.
Now I am heading towards everyone's favorite part, Chocolate tasting. Welcome to the Lindt Chocolate tasting section, where pure indulgence awaits. First, dive into the rich, flowing liquid chocolate, warm, velvety, utterly decadent. See how your favorite chocolates bar are crafted. Yes, unlimited tasting section with all kind of Lindt goodies. Here you will discover three mesmerizing chocolate fountains, each flowing with rich dark chocolate, creamy milk chocolate, and silky white chocolate. Here everyone enjoys scooping rich liquid chocolate from the fountains into their spoons for a delightful taste. Let's move to the next section where you will discover jars filled with a variety of delicious chocolate flavors. You can even sample pieces of chocolate by using the chocolate bar machines. Simply place your selection behind the machine and enjoy a tasty treat: strawberry, hazelnut, orange, sea salt, white salted caramel, milk, etc. Each chocolate flavor often an exceptional taste experience, carefully crafted with the finest ingredients to create a luxurious, melt in your mouth sensation that's truly unforgettable. I don't think I have ever tried so many different chocolate flavors in my entire life. Don't wander off just yet. Up next in the incredible Cosmos section. Now we enter the Cosmos section, an exciting space where you will learn how much chocolate is consumed everywhere across the different countries. Don't forget, in this area, you're welcome to take pictures and capture your sweet memories. Now I am heading to the next section where you will also find free samples of wrapped chocolates of different flavor to take home for your loved ones. Don't wander off just yet. Stay close. An exciting surprise is waiting for you. Up next, you will receive a special pack of chocolate directly from the screen. All of this and for just 17 Swiss francs. Visiting this place is truly an experience worth every penny. The story is not over yet, my friends. Now let's head over to the Lindt shop, the biggest Lindt chocolate shop in the world, spread across 500 meters square. The incredible store offers a shopping experience like no other. Here you will find the finest Swiss chocolates from the Lindt, along with a wide selection of sweet gifts. Don't forget to pick up some sweet souvenirs for your friends and family. That wraps up Sweet Adventure at Lindt Home of Chocolate. But stay tuned because next up we are heading to the iconic Rhine Falls. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious travel adventures.